Okay, good day. Now I'm going to do a short video that explains how to enter into a student's account on the Global International Secondary School Learning Management System, Google. Okay, so first you need to open your Chrome application on your laptop, and you can as well log in your account on your mobile device. So when you do open your Chrome account application, you want to click on an icon that you possibly should have at the top right corner of your screen, and then you click on it. When you do, you simply go to the tab where you have add another account, and then you click on that. Okay, so in this email, what you want to put here is the email sent to you for the LMS account. So for this example, I have a philip@giss.com.ng. Okay, and so for password, you're going to put in the password that was sent to you as well, and I'm going to do that shortly. Okay, so I have my password, and then you click on next. And so immediately it's going to tell you to create your own personal password. So you want to put in something very strong and something you can remember. Okay, so I'm just going to pull that quickly. Okay, let me use another. Okay, so once you create an account enough, Google will allow you straight into your account. Now, there's going to be a suggestion of if you want to create a new tab for it, please do so, okay? So if it is asking you to do that, please, I recommend that you create a new Google account for the sake of that very LMS account. Now, the next thing you want to do is so let me try and go into my account to be sure that I am on it. So this is a page you will see, and this is going to carry your name, the name of the student, and from here you will also be able to see your name. Okay, so this is the account I actually want to use. So this is the account I made. So you see your name, and you can confirm that from here as well. So you see there writes Philip Odemola and philip@giss.com.ng. So that way you know you are on the LMS account. Now, going forward, most of the place where you'll be getting notifications from, especially from your teachers, so that you are able to join their classroom, would be your Gmail. So on this menu button, just at the top right corner, you'll have all of the applications that you will need for the LMS platform. So you have your Gmail, your Drive, your Classroom, your document, sheet, slide, and all that. Now, depending on what task was given to you by your teacher, you would then require to use a document, which is like a Word application that you can type in probably an answer to a question or a research that you have done and you need to submit. Sheet is more like an Excel application and all that. But what you will use day in, day out, every day for your classes will be the applications I really want you to pay attention to will be your Gmail, and the Google Classroom. So first thing you should do is go to your Gmail. Okay, so this is where you're going to get an invitation from your teacher to join a particular classroom. So already for this account, I have had a teacher send in a link to join their classroom. And so this is Agbola Olaiton is a teacher, and is sending to year 12 the link to his classroom. So For a new student, once your teacher sends you a classroom link, this is how you're going to get it very easily from your Gmail. All you just need to do is go to your Gmail and then you'll find messages like that. So let's say I try to join this Google Classroom, and if a message was sent to me and you have received a link like this as well, you simply need to click on it. And it's going to automatically open your Google Classroom for you as a student. And in that classroom, you would now be required to join as a student. Okay, I'm still appearing here. Okay, so you'll now be required to join as a student, and you see once you click on join class, then you will automatically be added to the classroom. Okay, so it's that simple. Now, this is how you will get it for all the subject teachers that will be taking you all through your course, as long as you're still with Global International Secondary School. So that is mostly it. Every other discussion, every other assignment, every other classwork, every other class tutorial classes that you'll have will all happen on the classroom platform. Okay, so but if there are probably personal messages, so well, the two applications I really need or advice that you take note of will be your Gmail and also your Google Classroom. But if there is need for you to now probably write a research, probably you're asked to do present a slide on a topic, you can go ahead and use any of the applications that are here. And if you want to search or watch a YouTube video on something you probably want to gain more knowledge about, you can easily click on YouTube here. You have keep notes to keep notes of whatever you're doing, and you have Google Meets. Now, also for each classroom, okay, so this is a classroom that belongs to government. So once you are in that classroom, you don't need to always ask for link to join the classroom. You can always join the classroom with this join button here for government classroom. So every time you have a government classroom, all you just need to do is enter into the classroom. So from home here, if you click on home, you'll see all of the classes that you belong in. So I am only in government for now, but if you have other subject teachers and you have accepted to join their classroom, you will find all of their classroom here. All you just need to do when it's time for government is come into the classroom and then you join the class. So when you click on join, it's going to immediately open another tab and get you ready for a classroom with your teacher. So this is how it happens. You can either turn off your mic or turn off your camera and then join the classroom. Okay, so but you will not be able to come in until your teacher allows you. Okay, so that is how it goes for all of it. Now, if there are classworks, if there are assignments you need to do, you'll find all of that under this particular tab here. And yes, you can ask your teacher questions from these charts here. So you can write something to your teacher or write to all of the people in the class. Probably you want to tell them to come on into a class, or you want to tell them, ask questions from your teachers. You want to really understand whatever it is he has told you to do. All of that you can do from here. You can add a link to a YouTube video. You can do just anything you want to do as a message to your teacher and even to the general class. Okay, so this is basically it. I don't think there's anything else to do other than this. Okay, so that will be it for now. Again, pay attention to your Google Gmail and also your classroom platform. Thank you.